Customizing the order of WordPress posts allows you to display content in a way that aligns with your preferences, rather than following the default chronological order. You can change the order manually or use plugins for more flexibility. Here's how to do it. Manually change the date. Edit posts. Go to Posts, All Posts in your WordPress dashboard. Click on the post you want to reorder. Change the date. In the post editor, look for the Publish section. Click Edit next to the published date and adjust the date and time. Posts are displayed based on their published date, so changing the date allows you to control their order. Update post. After changing the date, click Update to save your changes. Use a plugin. Install a plugin. Search for and install a plugin like Post Type Sorter or Simple Custom Post Order. Enable drag and drop sorting. After activating the plugin, you can reorder posts by dragging them into your preferred order from the post screen. Save your changes. Once your posts are in the desired order, save the changes, and the new order will be reflected on your site.